Please subscribe YouTube channel TTS 2.0.
Mr. Chef MD आलम राजा खान कंप्लीट रेसिपी। वेज मंचूरियन बनाने के लिए आपको नीचे दिए गए स्टेप्स फॉलो करने होंगे। इंग्रेडिएंट्स: 1 cup grated mixed vegetables, carrots, cabbage, bell peppers, 2 to 3 tablespoons all-purpose flour, maida, 2 to 3 tablespoons corn flour, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1/2 teaspoon red chili sauce, adjust to taste, salt to taste, oil for frying. For the Manchurian sauce, 1 tablespoon oil, 1 teaspoon finely chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon finely chopped ginger, 1/2 cup finely chopped onions, 1/4 cup finely chopped bell peppers, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon red chili sauce, adjust to taste, 1 tablespoon tomato ketchup, 1/2 teaspoon sugar, salt to taste, 1 cup water, 1 tablespoon corn flour mixed in 2 tablespoons of water for thickening. Instructions: grate the mixed vegetables and squeeze out any excess moisture. In a mixing bowl, combine the grated vegetables, all-purpose flour, corn flour, ginger garlic paste, soy sauce, red chili sauce, and salt. Mix well to form a dough. Divide the mixture into small portions and shape them into balls. Heat oil in a deep frying pan. Once the oil is hot, deep fry the vegetable balls until they turn golden brown. Remove them and set aside. In a separate pan, heat 1 tablespoon of oil. Add chopped garlic and ginger. Saute for a minute. Add chopped onions and bell peppers. Saute until they become slightly tender. Add soy sauce, red chili sauce, tomato ketchup, sugar, and salt. Mix well. In a separate bowl, mix corn flour with water to make a slurry and add it to the pan to thicken the sauce. Add a cup of water and let the sauce simmer until it thickens and becomes glossy. Add the fried vegetable balls to the sauce and toss them until they are coated evenly. Garnish with spring onions and serve hot. आपका वेज मंचूरियन तैयार है। इससे चावल या नूडल्स के साथ एंजॉय कर सकते हैं। Thanks for you. Please subscribe YouTube channel TTS2. Oh, please like and share.